Hey guys, welcome to episode 4 of Becoming a Course Seller. I'm very excited for this episode because we're going to be talking about how to sell your online course and the transactions that you're looking to make on selling your course. Very, very important topic. If you've not seen any of the other videos, check out episode 3, 2, and 1, documenting the journey of launching, building, and hopefully scaling this entire online course that we built called the Facebook Ads Weekender. Okay, first things first. So one of the mistakes that I wanted to avoid, which I've seen so many clients make in the past, is by launching the full product too soon. Okay, if we had the launch right here in the middle, there's a whole sequence of things that can happen leading up to launch. Obviously, building the actual product is primary and is essential, right? However, getting yourself to that launch stage, there is something that I want to share with you guys, which we have done, and it has been a brilliant process and introduced it on this campaign, and that is called the pre-launch. Okay, pre-launch. Get that in your mind. Let's just repeat everything 3 times. Repeat. Okay. The pre-launch sequence, guys, this is so important. It will allow you to not only promote the product before the actual full price comes out, the full launch comes out, but it will also give you that essential feedback from your marketplace so that you can then learn about what's working in the course, what's not working in the course. And also it allows you to incentivize your organic audience to take advantage of being close to you. Okay, so anybody who's, even if you've got an audience of 3 people, it's your dog, your mother, and your partner. Okay, tell those people about your course is going to be powerful and essential because they can then go and drop the seed and talk about it to other people as well. And that is something that I really want to stress whilst you're building your course. Talk about it, talk about the process, just like I'm doing here. Very important that you share the journey, especially in the modern day, and it becomes easy content to produce. So when you're building the course, great, talk about it. But then what about incentivizing people? So what we've done is we've delivered a 50% discount for pre-launch, which means anybody who acts now, anybody who's in my network, anybody who wants to actually sign up now, I'm going to give them and reward them with a 50% discount. Okay. And the reason why I'm really happy to do that is because, look, it is a reward. It is a reward for staying in touch, staying close. And because I've been running adverts now for so long, I've got quite a good audience, small but very good, effective audience that are responsive to my content. So immediately we did the pre-launch, made an offer. How do you promote your offer? I made a Canva design. Instagram stories are great for this, but I also did a feed post as well. Check it out on my Instagram. If you haven't, check the link in the description. Still getting used to my YouTube flow. But yeah, I've literally put a post on my story and it was 10 spots, 50% discount, pre-launch offer. And then the anxiety was there, just like, oh my God, what if nobody contacts us? Nobody wants the offer. And then immediately we got proof of concept about an hour in for it to find the right people. And we got a fair few messages. And fortunately, that was the successful pre-launch that we were looking for. People have signed up and now they're in the course, they've enrolled and they are having a ball of a time. The feedback has been amazing. And that's really given us the confidence now to really get excited and push forwards. Now, look, if your pre-launch doesn't turn into a sale in the first hour, day, week, there's only one thing that you need to do, and that's go and find more traffic, new traffic. Maybe your current audience isn't relevant for the product or offer that you've built. So go and find new traffic. And the easiest way to go and do that is through Facebook ads. Don't worry, I'm not going to plug the whole Facebook Ads Weekender online course, but if you do want to do that, you know what to do. So pre-launch, that's number 1. Okay, make sure you pre-launch, make sure you give an incentive and give it out organically to your audience. Then you can look at running some advertising to start generating new traffic. And here is how you do that as well, guys. So why not share the new campaigns and adverts that we've just launched for the Facebook Ads Weekender online course and give you guys some context on exactly why I've put certain copy, certain creative. This is almost becoming a mini course in itself. So if you're enjoying it, guys, please leave a comment, drop a like. It really does mean a lot. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we're in Ads Manager now on my Facebook Business Manager account. And this is the results that we've received now, literally after one day. Okay, we've got 4 campaigns running on the left. One of those campaigns has delivered 7 leads, the other one has delivered 6 leads, and this one has delivered 1. The cost per lead, £9.80, £14.36, and £36. And then this one's going to be probably a lot more expensive because it hasn't converted yet. However, very, very excited about these results. We're getting inquiries. Now, you might be asking yourself, why am I running lead generation campaigns and not driving traffic directly to the offer? If you haven't thought about that, you think about it now. And the reason is because I don't have a landing page set up, guys. It's the pre-launch. There's no landing page. There's nowhere to send these people. The landing page is under construction. I should say the landing pages, because I'm a marketer who split tests everything. However, the landing page doesn't exist right now. Again, like I said, it's a pre-launch. We're trying to gauge. What are you trying to gauge from your pre-launch? You're trying to gauge the interest, the desire, how many people are interested, how many people want to take action. That's all very, very relevant and important. And these, literally, it's 12:31 right now, and we launched ads yesterday evening at around 7 p.m. They got approved. These results are extremely exciting, and not because there's results there, but mainly because they are all within budget. Okay, the cost per lead target, £9.80, £14.36 are well below it. But I know there's a high volume of ad sets in these, so let's just go to the ad set level. And as we sort by results, 2 here, £5.95, £5.84, £7, £7, £10. They are very exciting audiences. And when you get results like that, it's way too soon to think about scaling these up, because look, we leave everything for at least 2 to 3 days to let them optimize, to see how they respond on average over those 3 days is much more important than the initial results. However, what these immediate results will give is an immediate boost to the algorithm to say, look, these are good ads and they're relevant to the people because they're clicking on them and leaving their details. So Facebook hopefully will reward us for that and show us to more people at a cheaper CPM, which is your cost per 1,000 impressions. As you can see, the budget's 2020, 2020, 2020 for 2020. Good luck charm, but we've got 2 here. So let's jump into the actual ads. That's what you guys want to see, isn't it? You've seen the results. We've generated around 14 leads, gotten some healthy ad sets. Again, let's sort by results. Let's not show you the ones that aren't working. Okay, so here's a still image ad. This little guy has generated 2. Speak to a marketing specialist, pre-launch discount, very simple with the ads online weekender course. And then we have this advert. I like this advert a lot. This was about predicting the revenue. So again, same copy, and we jump in here, predict the revenue from these ads. So it's a compilation. It's like a mosaic of probably adverts from the past 6 months that we've ran and had some tremendous results from. And you'll notice, learn how to grow through ads like this. We don't actually tell them how much revenue has been generated from them. And here's a little insight. We did have a previous version of this ad that had the revenue generated screenshots from Ads Manager, and Facebook did not like that at all. That immediately got disapproved. Well, it got rejected. It didn't even get approved to get disapproved. It was rejected. So got to play within the rules. Don't want to go too hardcore, but you don't need to as well. You don't need to have, the most life-changing, breathtaking adverts set up to get results, right? 2 leads on that one. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, we've got another one here. Let's check this little guy out. Okay, guys, so in this ad, let me just pull this back. Okay, guys, so in this ad, look, it's about showing the adverts, showing the validation and what we've done before, and making sure that people can see that this isn't fiction, right? We haven't made this stuff up. We actually run advertising for our own business first. And even though I run a marketing agency that, is somewhat successful and has some great clients and some great spends on it, what's really important is what this course can do for the end user. Me running a marketing agency is irrelevant. What's in it for the end person? What can we do to help them? And that's what this whole advert was based around. There's not even any audio on this advert. It's just completely quiet. And that's something that has so far proven to be effective. I was thinking about should I put some music on it, but why? Why annoy people? If they can consume the content effectively without adding audio on it, why not? Right? Then let's see what else we got. Okay, so we've got some other still images that are running. Again, stay at home, become an ads wizard, ads weekend or online course, pre-launch discount 50% off. Very simple, me looking quite surprised and animated at this online course. Wow. And the first line of the copy is come out of lockdown, locked and loaded for more customers and clients. So what I'm trying to do there is just be relevant to the current climate and what's going on in the real world. What else have we got? Okay. This is an ad that I'm very, very excited about now. It isn't doing the absolute game-changing results that we anticipate it doing yet being the key word. But this is actually content pulled from the course. So this is one of the case studies that we show at the end of the course from one of our active ad accounts for a client, 1.5K ad spend into 6K revenue. And then I've just animated that with the captions on the bottom, shown some of the results, some of the live results, and it then just goes on to just talk about the account very briefly and what we're going to be doing next. It's real, it's accurate, and people can see that, again, it's validated, right? That's the main thing. And now with your own course, when you're selling your course, obviously these adverts, let's not forget, they're all about finding the right people to sell this course to so that they can benefit and grow their business, right? That's what's important here. So there you have it. You have a few adverts which are running right now. They're generating some decent results. We've just launched, so nothing to obviously call home about yet because, look, there's nothing to know from the first 12 hours of a campaign, right? Yes, it can be good, it can be worse, but the main thing is that we're putting the adverts out there and we're getting market feedback. And now with the pre-launch sequence, with the people getting the discounts, people coming on board, the best way to learn about how effective your product is to obviously get people doing it and getting their feedback, right? So this is what the pre-launch can allow you to do. Maybe you make some small adjustments and tweaks to the product before it goes out to the full launch, which is obviously opening the doors up to the masses. Okay, now again, just want to touch on a lead generation campaign because we don't actually have a landing page set up yet. We've got the teachable page, but that's not really built for conversion, so not confident to send all the spend there. However, at that point that I wanted to make earlier, which I missed, was there are no better people to learn from than your customers, right? The people who show an interest to know if it's relevant for them and solving their individual problems, okay? Putting out lead generation ads, jumping on phone calls with your customers in the pre-launch stage particularly is so powerful. And if you get anything from this video, make it be about all of the things you can do in the pre-launch. You can show it organically to your audience. You can run adverts to the pre-launch for new traffic. You can get feedback in the pre-launch and make tweaks to the product. You can do so many things. It's very, very powerful. If you want to sell your product, those first conversions are going to be the ones that probably bring the most anxiety. So when you do a pre-launch and you give that incentive, you're also rewarding people and making the conversion a lot easier to happen on the front end, as opposed to putting it out there full price. Here you go, buy it. Where's the incentive? Where's the warm-up, right? One of the things we talk about in the Facebook Ads Weekend online course are different temperatures of traffic: cold, warm, and hot. Right, and then you've got extra hot, which is a type of traffic that you're all after. However, one of the things exactly we talk about the temperature of those audiences, and the reason why there are different temperatures because you have to warm them up. Everybody who doesn't know you, they start interacting with you cold. How do you warm them up and get them closer to making a decision on your product? That is the name of the game. That is what your pre-launch can help you do. I hope you can implement it in your own. And this can help you sell many more units of your online course.